Hi, in this video, we're going to share a recommendation of the best shortcuts you can program here in this section. This is mainly for people who are just getting started with embroidery. All right, let's go to the Applications icon, then go to iCustom, and we're going to set up two shortcut lines. Don't worry if it looks horizontal, you'll be placing them from left to right, and once you finish programming them, the software will organize them vertically. So, which are the best shortcuts in my opinion? Well, I'm going to set the -1 here. The +1 is to move forward by stitches. I'll put that one on top. Now I'll look for the +10 and place it above. And below that, the -10. Here, on this button, I'll set this USB icon to load designs from the USB drive. And right here, I'll add the pattern search to easily locate your files. Let's go back to the previous page, and now I'll add the P-Center. This one helps you center your design after loading it from the USB. And we will also add Trace. This helps you confirm that it fits properly within the hoop. Then, I'll add the P button, which is used to rotate designs. Next, the turtle icon to slow down the machine's speed operation. Let's also add the Save Stitch, a very useful feature that lets you save your stitch position and parameters when you need to temporarily switch to another design without canceling the current one. You can save your progress, change hoops, and once you finish that other embroidery, simply press the Save Stitch button again to continue where you left off. And finally, I like to include the laser pointer. Why? Because when it's time to oil the machine, you can press it and it will move to laser mode, showing you the lubrication points directly on the screen. Now we can go back to home, and as you can see, we have a much more organized view with all the basic shortcuts that an embroiderer, especially one who's learning, needs to have at hand.